is coming in a week or so, so it's time for a May month bullet journal setup. I wanted May month's theme to be Japan because Japan is my third favorite place in the world, and the Golden Week is coming up, which is like a set of days which is widely celebrated in Japan. So I thought, why not keep the theme as Japan? So my open page was like really simple. I just drew a lot of random doodles that is completely related to Japan. And not to mention, I also wrote the month May in Japanese. I really love the way it turned out, like the Mount Fuji, cherry blossom, sushi, the flag, bamboo. Yes, I love it. I actually lost the footage of the monthly log, but here's how I planned. I just went for a basic monthly log, and for the background is what I made is like green sketches, like lines all over the page, then gave it leaves and black outline, and I made like a bamboo wood. Like as you can see it's like very messed up because forests aren't very organized, right? So I made it messed up and really unorganized. And yes, the next is my habit tracker. I just added like very cute food doodles of Japan, like the noodles that is called ramen, I guess. Then I just made the regular boxes. I went for 6 boxes, then added the drop shadows, which is like a big trend now. I also added few more food doodles down there, like the sushi, soy sauce. I don't know why these doodles look way cuter than the foods in real life. I know they're paper, I can't eat them. So let's go for a mood tracker. I thought of doing something different this time. Instead of coloring the fans, I thought of naming each mood a shape of fan, like one plain, the other one frilled, another one with stick, and like all those things. Like it would be really boring, like maybe you were happy the whole month, it's just gonna be like same color. So I thought I could draw the same fan but the colors may be different, so the page would actually turn out colorful. That's what was my main motive. I made only 4, like happy, sad, tired, productive, or gratitude. The next, the very simple brain dump. I just made it real simple. I just added one of those very cute umbrellas of Japan and colored it blue. Done for this page. Next is my first week of May. I just went the horizontal way for the first week and I wanted to draw the Torii gate down there. I don't think I've drawn it really well. I don't know whether there are Torii gates like these, but I just made it on my own. For the next week, I wanted the koi fish. I had this paper lying around my house which I actually drew. So I thought of cutting them and pasting them in the middle of both the pages. Just like this. Then I added the days around the fishes and just added like those black outline just for highlighting. So let's go to our next page. For this thing I made like huge lanterns. I guess someone has made this, I don't know, credits to them. I just feel it's very cute looking. And I had to say this, it's absolutely fine to make mistakes. It's just your journal. Like you can make mistakes. No one is gonna judge you. So don't worry. Then for the final 8 days, I just made it real simple. I drew horizontal boxes, added a Kyoto, that is this famous Japan architecture. I colored it randomly black and red. Okay, we had to add a quote. So I got this Japanese quote which means be what you are. I don't really know how to read Japanese, I'm learning. So, yes, time for the final flip through. So for the supplies that I used my duo peps, which are my favorite. They work like Crayola super tips. Then my Tombow dual brush pen. Next the Microns, Versacura. Then my pencil, eraser. I'm showing everything, right? Just in case you want to know. Then my Staedtler pigment liner, which is 1.2. Then Staedtler Norris Club pencils. My Uniball Visionalite black pen. Just my regular scale. And yes, if you made it till the end, thank you so much. So give this video a thumbs up if it helped you or you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for not missing any of my upcoming videos. I don't know when I'm gonna post my next video, however, toodles.